In this video we are going to show you how to remove the radio touch screen from Fiat 500X 2015, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this dashboard removal tool, and then plus Torx screwdriver size T25. We already made everything loose, by the way. This is just for the demo only. In the first step, you remove this. First of all, you open the glove box first, and then you pop up this switch assembly for the hazard switch. You just pop it out, and then you can either leave it on the side or disconnect the connector. And then there are two T25 Torx screw for the bezel around the radio. Once you get the screw out, then you can pop the bezel out. And these are the pins. And then the radio has 4 mounting screw size T25 also. Once you get these 4 screws out, then you can remove the radio. And this is the connector which goes into it. In order to open this connector, you just rotate this clip counterclockwise, and then you can remove it out. And then to open the other connectors for the antenna, you just use a very small flat screwdriver and then push the clip inward, and you can remove them. And if you need any repair for this radio or the touch screen, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.